There's a difference between shame and remorse, but the art is to hold yourself in warm regard as a flawed human being, even in the face of your imperfection. Feel bad about what you did, particularly if what you did hurt somebody. That's called remorse. That's good. If you don't feel remorse, you're a sociopath. You're grandiose and entitled and narcissistic. I want you to feel bad about bad behavior, but don't take yourself apart as a person. Feel bad about the bad behavior. Hold yourself in warm regard as a flawed person. I feel bad about what I did to you. I want to make amends to you. I want to do what I can to repair with you. It's not about me. When you move from inflation to deflation, from grandiosity to shame, oh, I'm a big shit, I should go die. You just trade in one form of self-preoccupation for, guess what? Another form of self-preoccupation. I want you to do what my kids tell me, get over yourself. Move from shame, beating yourself up is no favor to anybody, to guilt and remorse. I feel bad for you. What can I do to help you? Get off yourself and pay attention to the person you hurt. Do what you can for repair. The revolution here is that we can do something about this. Our relationship to relationships, including our relationship to ourselves, is passive. We get what we get, and that's all we do. No, we can intervene on this. I'm here to tell you, I'm in my 70s. For most of my life, I come from an abusive, violent background. I took on board a lot of shame, and I was miserable. I was violent to myself. Thankfully, not physically, but emotionally, just vicious. I loathed myself when I was imperfect or failed. And I thought that was a good thing. Hey, listen, if you get nothing from this talk, get this. There is nothing redeeming about harshness. There is nothing that harshness does that loving firmness doesn't do better. If it's harsh, it's off. So when those harsh voices, it's really a childish part of yourself, start beating the shit out of you for your imperfections, lean into them. Hey, listen, little Terry. You may have some important things to teach me. I want to learn, but be kind. Be on my side. I'm not going to listen to you. Just beat me up. I say to people, you wouldn't put up with somebody outside of you talking like this to you. Why do you do it? No. You can lean in and quiet those voices. And then distract yourself. Turn on the TV. Go for a walk. It's a two-step process. First, quiet the harsh voice, and then actively summon the energy of love. I'm a flawed human being, just like the rest of us. Let me feel bad. Let me make whatever repair is appropriate. Let me learn, and let me move on. Sitting here and stinking in a big shame attack is no favor to me or anyone else. Start to bring yourself up from shame and down from grandiosity. I'll meet you in the middle. That's where intimacy lies. That's where connection lies. That's where love lies, including love for your woefully imperfect self. I love to quote poetry. Here's a couplet that Auden ends a beautiful poem with. I will love my crooked neighbor with my crooked heart. We are all perfectly imperfect. Learn from it. Keep yourself humble. Be open to your mistakes and what they have to teach you. Feel proportionately bad. Do what you can to make amends. Dust yourself off, get back on the horse, and love yourself. You're no more imperfect than the rest of us.